Let's go!
Whatever it takes, you leave it all on the line, and we gonna get out here and be victorious.
One of the best scenes in college football, beautiful weather and homecoming Saturday. And we welcome you down to the Jersey Shore for Bryant and Monmouth. And Monmouth on the first play will go to the reverse. And here is the big play man, TJ Spate hitting another gear. Josh Derry down at the 1. Well, here's 3rd and long after the sack, and the pocket collapses again. Deflected up in the air and intercepted. Justin Bennett doesn't want to give that football up, and why not? Ento scoring on the ground for the 4th time today. Too tall and intercepted, and Clark White breaking through tackles. Over midfield, stays on his feet. And he's brought down after a big run, and the interception for the sophomore gets the whole team up off the sideline. And it's a touchdown. Oh, Savino gets the touchdown pass, and Spate's 3rd score of the afternoon. All Monmouth here on Saturday.
Big dubs out here. Let's get it.
Let's go. Hawks W, baby.